Get acquainted with the 2012 Toyota Tundra. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, multi-zone AC, stability control, locking limited slip differential, traction control, intermittent wipers, tow hooks. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your driving pleasure while you take advantage of the latest advances in efficiency. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.